Oh, the new features in Panintelligence, always been a great business intelligence tool, but now it's got the very powerful analytics features in it. We're going to see a whole bunch of clients who already use business intelligence get more value from that, and new clients come on board as well. So it's, the new features very exciting.
It's been really good. Events like this are really useful to see what other people are using it for. The demonstrations particularly give you ideas that you can take back and work out new ways of using it that you never thought of before.
And we need labels, that is, we need to know and we need to tell the computer which one's which. So we need to tell it that all these not very zero looking like zeros are zeros.
There are different reports, we just don't know what will actually happen, but the reality is the nature of many jobs will change and we need to get ready for that.
So these are the kind of things that people talk to us about, and then we go away and have a look at the data and we apply whatever technology best suits that data analysis.
That's been great. Yeah, it's been really good meeting other people who are deploying Panintelligence, maybe in different industries, but it seems to me that they all seem to have the same opportunities, same challenges. We've shared some thoughts together, and we've built some relationships that we might do work together. So it's been really good.
It's been really interesting. It's been really good actually to see what you're working on and what's coming up next, and particularly the new HTML configuration interface, because it now means you can stay in HTML throughout the entire process.
It's more about taking advantage of the data they've got. You know, everybody's got great stacks of data with GDPR and all other things about data protection, but nobody's really taking advantage of the data they already have. So making it clear to them that this data is extremely valuable and that they should take advantage of it, because the business history is there. We all learn from the past, and they're not really doing that yet because it's not easy to do. Whereas with products like this, it makes it a lot easier to pull that data through and analyse.
I think the really important thing about the analytics is the fact that the data that they're gathering, maybe with the NDL products, can now suddenly mean something. Because it's only once you've got that data that you can really build on that and have some useful information. And the analytics part of that allows you to do that.
Can we count on it to stand up this way for me, please? We have accounting, Jade, Ellen, Holly, Mike.
So we find it quite refreshing that the people who are selling the product are actually keen to improve it. There's a lot of people that just go through the day and try and make as much money as they can, and that's it. But you've got a real passion for the product, and that's what impresses.
So part of it is making our products more valuable. They'll be able to see how useful our products are in terms of seeing the usage of mobile apps or e-forms, that kind of thing. But also the data that we collect can then be put to more use, so you can analyse exactly what our users are using that data for, kind of thing.